Good morning, students. Sai Ram. In our previous sessions, we have already learned about the attributes of TD and TH element, that is, row span and call span in two different programs. Today, we shall execute a program using these attributes in one single program. Starting with the basic tags, the title of the program is row span and call span. Table border is equal to in the quotes 1. Start with the first row, TH heading 1, we'll have 4 columns, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4. Now close the row element using /tr. Close the table tag, close the body tag and the HTML tag. Now save the file and refresh the browser. The first row element is displayed. We have 4 columns, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4. Now the data for the second row. Start with tr tag, table data, row span is equal to in the quotes 4, means you are merging 4 rows. This is for the first column. The second data is TD call span is equal to in the quotes 3 and align is equal to center, means second row columns are merged, 3 columns are merged. Close the tr element, save the file, refresh the browser. You can see second row first column row spanning and second row second, third and fourth column are merged together. Though we have written merging for first column, it will be seen once you start writing for third row and fourth row. The third row call span is equal to the quotes 2 Align is equal to center. The data is column spanning. TD row span is equal to, in the quotes, 3. And write the data as row spanning. Close that row element. Save the file. Refresh the browser. So the third row, if you observe, column is merged for heading 2 and heading 3. On heading 4 column, you have row spanning for 3 rows. Once you start writing the data for other rows, you will observe the spanning of rows. For the next row, row span is equal to 2. As far as column is concerned, column is not spanning here. Save the file and observe the result. Now write the data for the next row. We have used only column data. So only that column is displayed. Other row span is already there. Now write the data for the last row. Save the file. Refresh the browser. So if you observe, the first column row is merged for 4 rows. The second row column spanning for 3 columns. The third row column is merged for 2 columns, as well as row spanning for 3 rows. So children, this was a program based on row span and column span in a single program. We shall learn more such programs in our next session. Thank you.